When you're ready and you've had your outline checked by me, you're going to then be ready to start your story map. And so you'll go into Content in your ArcGIS account. You'll choose your map, which is your web map of your biggest metro. And then you're going to, from these options over on the right-hand side, choose Story Maps. And you're now going to have experience using the new version of Story Maps. Whereas when we did the NFL project, you were using Story Maps Classic. You're going to see how you like this newer version. So you'll click that. And then you'll see that this is a lot less formatted. It will offer you a lot of freedom. As you create your story map. It has parts that you'll be typing in. So of course here, your title, biggest metro area. You can have a subtitle there, a byline, or you can delete these as you go. And then as you want to add items, this plus means adding a content block. And then it will ask you what you want to add. So a whole menu pops up of what you would like to add in there. So I want you to play around with the options there. The idea is that you'll add in content for each of your cities that you visit. I'd like you to show the map and then have the picture and the story for each of your locations. And you'll want to customize your map view as you go through and focus in on the city that you're discussing, then add the content block to tell about that city and what you're doing there, and your picture. And then you'll continue on, add map, do the content that you wanted to do for that city, so on and so forth. So for each city, I want a map, a picture, and the description of what you're doing there. Some other items you should know about story maps. You can play around with how it looks a bit. And then, of course, you're always going to want to publish by the time you're done with it. This one does autosave, so just FYI, that's an improvement in the new Story Maps feature. So play with it, see what you can figure out about the new Story Maps, and away we go.